Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you how drying room heating implementation paths. Here we go. 1. Recovered thermal energy from the heat exchanger heats the drying room through radiators, circulating around the drying room before exhausting residual gas at the end. 2. During working hours, steam from the steam accumulator heats the drying room through radiators and fans, working with perforated metal pipes. This is divided into upper and lower groups. 1. The lower group supplies the right side. 2. The upper group supplies the left side. 3. At the end of the workday, the steam accumulator valve can be opened to connect with the radiator, supplying the drying room. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.